Welcome everyone to a new Rocky Mountain Blizzard review. Today it's the 2024/2025 Blizzard Alloy 20. Getting started with this, we have a Dior 12 speed with a Sunrace 11 to 51 cassette. It's pretty lightweight and pretty cut out. I don't know how durable it is though, we'll have to see about that in the long term. HG chain connects to alloy race crankset called the turbine. It fits up to 4.6-inch tires. Alloy bars and alloy stem make a nice compliant but stiff ride. MT410's brake pinpoint with accuracy are heavily modulatable. It comes with Sunring 27.5 rims with 110, I believe, engagement hub, and Cake Eater 27.5 120 TPI tires.